Hello, this is ScalversGadgets, and I'm going to be making this review on this product from Deal Extreme. And what this product is a cable adapter, and as you can see, right here, here's the package. I've already opened it to make sure what it is. This is what it is. Audio. Headphone jack. I think it's a 2.3 millimeter. It weighs 26 grams. So it was like a couple bucks. Very good deal. I haven't tried it out yet, but I'm pretty positive it's gonna work. But you can use it for like stereos or plug this into your Xbox output for audio. Plug it into your headphones or whatever you plug it into, and get audio into other type of speakers for other types of stuff. But yeah, that's pretty much what these are meant for. The quality, the build quality is cheap. I bet if you pull on these hard enough, they will rip and the wires will show. Why am I saying this? Because good quality is when you pull on them and they don't rip and the plastic's more thick. These are kind of thin plastic, but they do the job. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching.